All right, so today we're going to talk about function composition. So let's go ahead and read this little bit here. So what is composition of two functions? This is when the result of one function is sent through a second function. So we literally work out one, and then we send that result through the next one. Shown below are function f and g. The visual shows the flow chart idea that a number is plugged into function f, and then that result is passed to function g for a second result. So we can see that we're starting here. We're going to put a number through one function, and then whatever result we get, we're going to put it through the second function and get another result out of that. So we're putting one through the other. So I have to work out one first and then the second one. So the result of f, function f, is sent through function g. So it is written like this. So when you see this little open circle, it does not mean multiplication. It means composition. It means first go through function g, then through function f. So that's one way to write it. You can also write it like this. So you can write g of f of x. So first you would do f of x, then you would do g of x. So you're sending one through the other. All right. So now we say, suppose that the functions u and w are defined as follows. So if u of x equals negative 5x plus 3, w of x equals negative 2x plus 5, find the following two pieces. So first they're asking us to do the composition of u and w of negative 5, and then w and u of negative 5. So they look the same, but depending on which one you send it through first, it's actually going to change the outcome. So we can see this. So when we say u, the composition of u and w of negative 5, this means the result of w of negative 5 is sent through u of x. So we're going to do w of 5 first, and then we're going to send that through. So keep in mind that it's this one first that's sent through the first piece here. And again, I think this one's almost a little bit clearer because I can see I would work my way from the inside of the parentheses out. But Alex does like to use this composition kind of formatting, the notation, I guess is a better way to say that. So first we're going to go through and do 5 of negative w. So I'm using the expression they gave me here, negative 2x plus 5. So instead of x, I'm doing negative 5. So negative 2 times negative 5 gives me positive 10. Plus 5 gives me 15. So that's the result of w of negative 5. Now I'm going to send that through u of 15 because it's not u of negative 5. It's u of the result of the last one we got. The result was 15. So now it's u of 15, and that's going to equal the expression here. I have negative 5x plus 3. So negative 5 times 15, because that's now my x, what I'm sending through, plus 3. So negative 15 times 5 is negative 75. Sorry, negative 5 times 15, said that backwards, plus 3. So I get negative 72. So that's sending it through w first and then u. Now we're going to go the other way. We're going to send it through u first. So we're going to go through u of negative 5 will be sent through w of x. Whatever the result is from this first function is sent through the second one. So now I'm going to use that same one, negative 5x plus 3. So I'm going to do that first. So negative 5 times negative 5 gives me 25, plus 3 gives me 27. So now this is what I'm going to send through w of x. So I'm going to go w of 27 equals negative 2 times x, which I know is 27 now, plus 5. So negative 27 times 2 is negative 56, plus 5 is negative 51. That should be negative 51. That was a typo. So with this one, we can see it's negative 72, and it should say negative 51 on there. Obviously, I just whoopsied. But we can definitely see, depending on which function it's sent through first, changes the outcome. So make sure you're paying attention to which order they're asking you to do first. Okay. So that's composition of functions. I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.